What's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant, welcome back to the channel. Now recently a lot of you guys have been contacting me asking me about a couple of sort of hidden menus that have made an appearance on my channel when I've been making videos about my LG C10 OLED. And instead of replying to you all individually, I thought it'd just be simpler to make a video showing you guys how you can access those menus yourselves. So without further ado, let's crack on. Now the first thing I want to point out to you guys is that these hidden menus are available for externally connected devices, and for this test I'm going to be using my Sky Q box, which is a satellite box, and my PlayStation 5 just there. So the first thing that we're going to do is grab our LG remote control, and we've got this green button down there, and we're going to press this rapidly about 7 or 8 times until that first menu comes up. So I'm going to do that right now. There we go. And that is our first little menu there, giving you all the information that you guys have been so desperate to see. Now if I just grab the remote one more time, and I'm going to change up now to the PlayStation 5, just like that. And if I press the button again, there we go. As you can see, the details have changed. And each time that you get that menu up, it will rotate around the screen in like an anti-clockwise manner. So let's go back now to the Skybox, and I'll show you the next menu. Now what you're going to want to do is grab your remote again, give it a shake. This will get up your pointer. Press on the scroll wheel. This will get up your little HDMI sort of input number there. So we've got an HDMI 1. What you're going to do is highlight that box and then press down on the scroll wheel once. And there we go. That gives us some information just there as well about what is going on. And if you like, you can hold down on that scroll wheel. If I just get that up there, onto that bar, and you can drag that round to wherever you want, or should I say 4 corners there. Now there is another way to get up that little pointer, and that's by pressing the scroll wheel forward. But just bear in mind, if you have got, like I have, something like a external like satellite box connected up, you may end up accidentally changing channels by doing that. That is why I say best off just giving the remote a shake. That wakes up the pointer, and then press down on the button and highlight it like that. So hopefully that will help you guys out. Now if you enjoyed that little tip, I've got some great news for you, because I'll soon be posting up a brand new tips and tricks video for the LG OLED TVs, which should be very handy for all you new owners. Now along with that, I'll also be posting up a video about my very own picture settings for my LG C10 OLED. Again, I know a lot of you guys have been requesting that, so that will be coming very soon. Now, if you have enjoyed this video today, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see those videos that I've just mentioned, then please make sure you hit that subscribe button. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.